Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I will introduce the 2020 5-ounce Mexican Libertad to my small collection of Libertads. Oh, and an American Gold Eagle. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back, or welcome to Cash and Coins. First thing I'd like to say is thank you for stopping by. I put out at least one video a week. Next month is my first full year, and I'll try to put together a giveaway. If you enjoy silver and gold stacking and collecting, I invite you to follow my journey. If you like this video, please hit the like, and if not already subscribed, that would be great too. After all, subscriptions are free. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. As you see, this is my unboxing of an order from JM Bullion. I did order the 5-ounce Libertad and my first gold coin for 2021, the American Gold Eagle 1/10 ounce. I am getting this one because this design will change, and here's what the change will look like. I'm happy to see the change. Tell me what you think about the new design change in the comments. I know that some people love it and some people, not so much. Here are some close-ups of the American Gold Eagle, my 2021. But yeah, it's time to move on. And the new ones, if you didn't know, are coming in mid-summer of this year. I might even buy a proof. Haven't decided yet. Depends how the funds are. You know how those things go. Getting back to the Libertads, I did buy a coin capsule for this Libertad because, as you see, it did not arrive with one. These are my Libertads. The 5-ounce is a very low mintage, and as you know, no one knows what the Mexican mint will do with their mintages. So it's always interesting, and I think that's why the Libertads are so popular. These Libertads have a mintage of under 9,000, so if you can pick one up, I would. It would be a good collectible to have. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, just my opinion. I did also want the 2-ounce, but when I went to order it, they were already sold out at all the websites that I went to from all the major dealers. But that's all right. I got the 5-ounce. I'm very happy with that. I am very satisfied with this coin. It is just beautiful. You can see all the details. And that is the beauty of silver coins. They are affordable to get large coins. If this was a gold coin, it would cost me a fortune that I don't have right now to spend on gold. Although I do want to get a gold Libertad one day. A full ounce. As you know, right now I am focused on getting the gold buffalo. Well, as I said, I just wanted to put together a little video here to show you what I got, what I had received in the mail from JM Bullion. I had been waiting for this for a while. Many other people have already got theirs. Hey, that's how it is when you're ordering coins. Well, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And for those of you who are subscribed, as you know, I really appreciate it. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.